Hey guys, and welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas. I have been really terrible at vlogging. I have had some times, and as you see, I haven't uploaded them. I have vlogged but haven't uploaded them. I am not at home, so there's no Wi-Fi where I am, but I am moving back up today, so that's great. And we have an outing, a family outing today. That is gonna be fun. Hey guys, so I am back home. I'm gonna do my hair right now, comb it to go to Kingston. As I said this morning, we're going to Kingston, so I got home early, so I'm gonna comb my hair. Hey guys, so I have done my hair. I'm not going to do my makeup again because I'm almost ready. Plus, I need my face to breathe. Anyways, I did my eyebrows, so I shaved those. Not very neat, but they were very horrible before, so I did them. Yeah. So I needed my hair in a way that I felt like my head wasn't tearing off, so this is it. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are we're going to head out. Hey Shan. Hey Shan. Oh hi. Alright, so bye. Hey guys. So we arrived in Kingston. Woo! Family outing. Woo! It is an outing for me. This is always the best part.
It's shopping.
Yeah, so we're doing a little Christmas shopping. Hi, Mom.
Cupcakes.
Yes, donuts.
Donuts.
Jeez, I'm pissed. Girl, it's called shoes. Anyways, I know, but it's life.
That's why you don't want kind of bag kind of want have. Yeah. What's me and a papa? No, you're my bag of me. Spend it like I don't rock that. I'm in my Good one. Yeah, 30.
So, Mom.
Just collected.
Hi.
Mom. I'm in here at Mega Mart, but I'm just here.
What do you mean you're just here?
I mean, I just came in with some people. Don't know what they expect of me, but I'm
For you
walking
to just
around
walk?
with them.
Simple?
Oh, these places are too small.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, this is not the part that I enjoy.
Which part do you enjoy? The food part?
No,
What part?
I don't enjoy the food part. I like the goodies part where you can get something to take home.
I mean, like mirror, all the things I have on my list.
No,
My full length mirror, my LED lights, strips,
like
and
beautiful stuff.
yeah, those are beautiful stuff. Hi. Hi, Dad. Hi. That's my dad for you.
I am just hanging on.
Meet my parents. They're the craziest sets of people.
Oh, we're not bad after all. That's a lie.
I do apologize for the music in the background. It's so
Boring.
so
Alright,
off
Miss
key.
Mama say it's kind of no. It's not a good tripod. It's just a selfie stick.
I mean, they're just looking for something. I don't know what it is.
I don't know, but I'm pushing the trolley. Chocolate. What?
Oh my God, I don't know what to do these places.
Shan.
I mean, I have a sweet tooth and I just
Mom?
don't want to see it. almond. So why don't you take almond if you want?
I'm getting
So
four.
that one sunflower, honey sunflower. These are
It's
expensive.
nice. What expensive? Oh, hey, this don't taste that good enough. It don't taste that good at all.
Huh?
It don't taste that good. Yes.
What is that?
Yes.
Oh, no,
It's pretty. Excuse me.
They're big.
No.
Straws. And they're still buying straw because
Okay,
it
I have
is
nowhere to pass still. Buy them one day instead.
What is that? Is that straw? These are forever straws.
And all the
What are
time, and all the time. That's a banana tree. And there's the Christmas tree. One of these. Mommy, say hi. Mom, say hi.
Say hi, Mom.
Yeah, bag me. Yeah, let me put it. Girl. So we have finished shopping.
No, you
but
haven't.
I'm
You haven't started yet.
hungry. I am so hungry. Yeah. How are you, boo?
I'm feeling swollen.
Huh?
Feel swollen.
Oh. Hush, boo, hush. Anyways.
Where's Daddy? I'm gonna see.
Pull my door.
Come to this place. One of the best places. Not you. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. I'm at home, and ignore the noise that you're hearing over there. They're still working on the house and all. Yeah. So I have some cleaning to do today, and then a lot of cleaning to do today. Some washing, and then tomorrow I might start my hair. Then on Friday, I think I'm gonna do my nails, and then, yeah. Yep. Bye. So this is my finished pan, and I will give you guys another look at it when I put it into my room. Yay. Good morning and welcome to day 21 of Vlogmas. Hi Shan. We are heading out to a place called Linstead. Hi mommy.
I want a silver watch. Joel, if it's there.
You much think she was?
Why are you doing this?
Anyways, this is my OOTD.
One.
Bueno, this is my OOTD. I have on this plaid shirt with a little sleeve, but and I have on this kind of ripped jeans pants with some black Converse. Y'all shut up in my shot. I'm having one hat because it not too stay well. So yeah. Anyways, we're about to head out. It's about after 10 now. We are kind of running late. We said we were going to leave at 10, but yeah.
After 3.
Alright, now what take take some picture. Come take some picture. Don't show the full name, right? See.
Put it on Facebook, send after them to the world.
Come, wait a minute.
After 3.
We want the little girl to come control right here. And the boy. Come, you two. Right here.
One.
Minister, have a look, little two. Minister, give me a smile. Yeah, give me a look at the minister. Why that's smile, minister?
Somebody say praise the Lord. Bishop will be praying the closing prayer.
Let me pass the picture.
Welcome back again. Well, I just finished my hair. I'm trying to flatten the top here so it's not this puffy, but yeah, I did this. I love the hair except for the fact that it ravels very quickly. As you guys can see, like I just did it and this is the result. But it's a very soft and kind of hair, but it ravels quickly. So but anyways, I have my nails to do tomorrow and we're going somewhere today, so that should be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Let me see if I can cover these spots so I don't look so spotty. Later.
Feel it go breeze. But you see,